Hey guys, how's it going? This is Tim, bringing you guys Daily Deals with Tim, where I talk about tech, crypto, and stock deals, all for you guys. And before I begin, this is my personal opinion and not a financial advice. So today, we're going to talk about investing versus trading cryptocurrencies. So, what's the difference between investing and trading? Some people might think those are the same things, but in the definition that I see it as, it's a little different. So how I see investing is investing for the long term. So investing in so that the years down the lane, it would set interest, or it would grow in value and grow in the price, so that later down the lane, then I could kind of look back at it and see that it has grown this much, and once that specific amount hits, I could probably take out some of it and use it to do whatever that I want to do with it, or kind of like that. So that long-term investing, so that you have a certain amount of growth throughout the years and save that up for years to come. For trading, it's more of a short-term goal where you put in, let's say you put in $10 into this thing, and then once it hits $15, then I'm going to take it out and buy other things with it. And that could happen multiple times throughout the day, throughout the month, throughout the year. So you could set a trading based on your price mark, or how you feel about the market at that point. So investing is for the long term, trading is for the short term. However, how do you set the amounts, and how do you set the timing? How do you set a schedule for it? So I'm just going to share about how I do investing and trading in the cryptocurrency market. And you could put this for any kind of financial market out there, like stock trading, probably the most closest one, but other things out there as well. So the first plan, or the first thing that you want to do, is set a ratio of your investing into ratio of your trading. So sometimes you can go really aggressive into trading, and let's say you want to like trade 80% of your assets and invest in 20%. And if you are a good trader, experienced trader, that would actually work out for you, because you're going to make a lot more money trading than investing. However, if you are a holder, and if you don't have the time throughout the day to trade all the time, and you just want to set up an account or kind of a portfolio and invest your money and not look at it again until like a couple years later, you might be into heavy investing. Maybe you're gonna put 80% into investing and put 20% aside for trading, and to do kind of do like monthly checks on this cryptocurrency. Let's see how far this has come, and it has gotten 100% growth. Okay, I'm gonna sell at this point and invest until that goes down again, or into another cryptocurrency. So it's basically, you want to set a ratio of how much you want to invest into how much you want to trade. That could be 8 to 2, 5 to 5, 50%, 50%, whatever you would like. At least, I think for me, I have it around 8 to 2. So I invest 80% of my asset into long-term investments, and for the 20%, I kind of play around to trade with it. And I only put 20% into trading because I am not a good trader. I make mistakes. I sometimes pull back up the amount too fast. I put it in there for too long, and I'm still experimenting with it. So I want to get some experience throughout the days. So once you set a ratio of investing to trading, the next thing to do is stick to the ratio. Now, this can be very confusing, because sometimes you want to put it more into investing when the market is going down, and sometimes you want to put more into trading because the market is going up and you want to get that better profit. But once you made a ratio, stick to it, because if you mess around with it too much, it's going to hurt you. It's going to bite you in the butt later. And once you start messing around a little bit, then you're gonna mess around a lot, and it's going to keep on growing. And let's say you put like 100% into trading. Okay, I'm gonna trade everything what I have, and next day it goes down by 50%. You just lost 50% of it. So you want to have a good amount of cryptocurrency into investments, into long terms, because trading can be dangerous in the short term as cryptocurrencies are volatile. You don't want to mess with it too much. So stick to the ratio that you planned with and just go for it. Now, once you have stick to the ratio, you put around, let's say 80% into investment and 20% into trading. Let's say, because that's just what I do. Let's say you did that. Now, what to do next is plan and execute. So what do I mean by that? So plan on when you're going to buy and when you're going to sell. So let's say a cryptocurrency is at $10 right now. You're gonna plan, okay, well, if it goes down to $6, I'm gonna buy. And then, so you wait until it goes to $6 and you buy there. And then you wait maybe like a month, and it goes up to like $12. And then you said you're gonna sell at the 100% mark, and $12 is a 100% mark, so you're gonna sell at 12, and you just made double your money. And you're gonna do that one more time. So it's at $12 right now, and you say, okay, I'm gonna buy at $8. So 12, you're gonna wait maybe a couple weeks, and it goes down to 8. You buy it at 8, and then you plan again. All right, so since I bought this much at $8, I'm gonna sell at $16 for 100% profit. And let's say you wait a couple months, goes to $16. You sell there, you double your money again. And if you keep on doing that over and over again, the idea is that you could double your money every time. And again, it doesn't have to be at 100%. You could do it at 10% if you're really safe. You do it at 20%, 50%. If you want to go crazy, you could do it at like 500%. But you're going to have to wait a long time for 500%. I'm just telling you right now, unless it's like a unknown ICO, but the risk with that is so high that I wouldn't recommend it. Again, at least for me, I try to buy it around maybe like halfway from the peak. So let's say its peak was like $10, and I'll buy around like $5. And then anywhere from 50% to 100% is a good sell-off mark for me. So let's say it goes up like 70%, then I'll probably, if I made that plan, I'll probably sell it there and wait for it to go down again and repeat. So that's just something that I do. I try to plan out when I'm gonna buy, when I'm gonna sell, and then when that hits the mark, then you execute it. And this, for a lot of people, is hard to do, and it's especially for me too, because my mind goes crazy when the price goes down, when it tanks, and you're like, oh, I gotta buy 100 more right now, 1,000 more right now, and the next day it goes down even more, and you basically regret, man, if I just waited and bought tomorrow, could have saved this much money and made more profit. Same with selling. Let's say it's up 50% today. I'm gonna sell it right there, and tomorrow it goes up another 50%, and you regret. You say, man, I could have made 50% more than what I made yesterday. And that happens, but that's why you need a good plan. Make a logical plan, see the market, see the overall market sentiment, and you kind of have to speculate, but at the same time, you could use a lot of different tools and features to make a good educated guess on that. So make a good plan and execute. And if you missed out on like a 20% profit, oh well, you just gotta deal with it. And you still made more money than you had before. And that's a positive. That's a good thing for you. So just stick to your plan. And even if you missed out on a little bit of profit, or if you could have gotten this a little lower, just stick to your plan, and you will still get the profit that you want. And don't be too greedy either. because the more greedy you are, the higher risk you're taking, and the more you can lose. So just take off, or not take off, but just take that profit and just go with it. Don't get too greedy. That's just my advice to you. But anyways, if you guys like this kind of content, like this video, comment below what you think, and smash that subscribe button for me. Also, if you guys want to support the channel, check out the affiliate links below. I really appreciate that. As always, bring you guys more deals on Daily Deals with Tim.